I'll show you how to make a website in 4 minutes. We will not be going that in depth into WordPress in this video. This is just if you want to get a website up. Alright, so head to your WordPress dashboard. For this video, you'll be using LocalWP to host WordPress locally for free. I have a video on that and also how to make a free hosting a website, link in description. If you're using a custom domain, install WordPress on it. There are many tutorials on that if you need help. Alright, so go to Appearance, then Themes. Press this big Add a New Theme button. Install this theme, Astra. Now press this Install Starter Templates button right here. Now it's time to select the page builder. Out of these three, in my opinion, the best one here is Elementor. Now, we have all these beautiful website templates we can choose from. Choose the one you like the most. I like this one, so I'll choose it. Now you can see the whole website and decide if you like it or not. If you have a logo, you can upload it here. Now here we can start changing the colors and typography of our website. Once you're done, press Continue. Now here you don't actually need to put any information and just press Build My Website. This shouldn't take any longer than 5 minutes. Now press View Website. Here it is. Now I will show you the very basics of Elementor, like how to change the text, how to delete elements, and how to change images. So to get started, press this Edit with Elementor button at the top of the page. So let's say you only offer 3 services here. Here's how you can delete the other 3. Just right-click and press Delete on each column or on the section. If you make any mistakes, you can press Ctrl-Z or Command-Z on Mac. Now, since these aren't your team members, I'll show you how to change the images. Just press the column button here and go to the Style tab. Press Choose Image. Now press Select Files and select the image. Now that's done. Let's say you want to edit the text here as well. Just press on the text or the pencil icon to edit it. Those are the very basics of Elementor. If you want to practice, I have videos on making websites from scratch to get better at using Elementor. Now, if you want to edit another page besides the home page, go back to your WordPress dashboard, go to the sidebar and press Pages. Go to whichever page you want and press Edit with Elementor. Now you can do anything you want. If you want to change the image, then select the section. Go to Style and press Choose Image. Customize the website however you want. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll answer you. See ya.